Hey, Bigpastort T here. You guys might have seen some really cool celebrations, and I want to celebrate today, but we don't have any champagne or anything to uncork or anything like that. We're going to celebrate the North Carolina Tar Heels Bigpastort T style. We painted up all our steel targets North Carolina Tar Heel blue, and my son and I, we're getting ready to shoot one bullet for every point they scored in the national championship. This is going to be a lot of fun. You guys buckle up and watch this. It's a lot of fun. Here we go. How about them Tar Heels? See you guys later.